राइट एक्चुअली उसी दिन कुछ दिन पहले ही एक कॉन्वर्सेशन मेरा आर्यन के साथ बिलाल विद द टीम एट रेड चिलीज कि हमें पता था कि वायरल होगा लेकिन इस तरह वायरल होगा वो कभी सोचा भी नहीं था. सो इट्स अ लेसन टू बी लर्न. आई थिंक इससे पहले फैंस जो थे मुझे दो चीज या तो नाम लेके पुकारते थे या एक दूसरा इमेज था मेरा एस से शुरू होता है. मैं नहीं कहूंगा, नहीं तो रात तक वही चलने वाला है. अभी वो डायलॉग का जिक्र होता है तो नो कंप्लेंट्स. आई एम वेरी हैप्पी.
Well, thank you so much, ladies and gentlemen. That's all we have for you. It's the that stayed with you, and it will always be with you.
I think the final monologue, which gave me a lot of sleepless nights, and why used to haunt both Super and even Yami. Like, this is a 7-page monologue you've given me. What if I screw up on the 20th line? Do I have to go back and do it again? And Yami has done, I think, a couple of monologues. You played a lawyer. You played a lawyer. तो ये आई थिंक ये एक नई चीज थी मेरे लिए क्योंकि मैंने कभी एक वकील का कैरेक्टर प्ले नहीं किया ऑन स्क्रीन. एंड आई जनरली जब मैं कैरेक्टर्स देखता हूँ एक स्क्रिप्ट में, if it's challenging, if it gives me sleepless nights, I go head on into it. So I'm very grateful that they came to me for this. और I think वो scene था जो final था. I think we both did it in one take finally, and like with pages and pages of lines. But very Reshu, fantastic lines. I think that is something that's a takeaway. That जब आपको ऐसी अच्छी lines दी जाती हैं, it just becomes, it's fire on set. You know, when he's saying those lines, brilliant. And that is actually a takeaway. जब आप देखेंगे film, that final thing will be, my family saw it and they were like numb and they were crying after they left the film. So that's what those two monologues do.
Wow, thank you for that question. Amrita ji, I'll come to you. लेकिन उससे